Let's have a quick conversation about these SoundPEATS RunFree 2s. They are super cool. There's so much to know about these that I'm going to try to boil it down to the 3 most popular questions that I've gotten about them. Number 1 is, are they comfortable? And in particular, are they comfortable for long periods of time? So I can tell you, really only for sure, I've worn these for an hour and you hardly know they're there. They are ultra light, super comfortable. I can only imagine if you're doing some long distance running or training or something like that, these have to be phenomenally comfortable. They are so light. Like I said, I went for a bike ride, wore them for about an hour, and I hardly knew they were there. Number 2, how is the sound quality? So that is always a little bit of the rub with these open ear designs. So I really do like the sound. The sound is good and impressive, but it's never as good as like the real like in your ear canal, totally isolated earbud sound. But that is so not effective or safe if you're running on the bike like I like to be. Like, you have to balance those things, right? And you can't have your ear canals jammed up with rubber stoppers pumping loud music into your head. If you want to be able to run safely, want to be able to ride my bike, I need to know if Granny's backing up honking her horn. I need to know if a dog's running at me barking, right? So you can't have that total isolation that you can in those. So given that you can't have the sound just projected directly into your ear, these are a really good balance. They have large drivers. The bass is actually pretty impressive for what they are. So the sound is really good. Never going to be as good as like real earbuds, but you kind of can't wear real earbuds if you want to survive long term on your bike or running. And then the final question that I hear a lot is, how long do the batteries last? So they're supposed to be good for 14 hours. I never got anywhere near 14 hours, so I don't know, but I think I've used them like 4 or 5 times for like that 45-minute to an hour stretch. So that's probably 5 hours that I've listened to them, trying to do, listening louder than I probably should be, using the functions of the cell phone connection and all that kind of stuff. And I never had any issues at all with battery life. It's super easy, just USB-C, connect it, charge them up. So I can't say that I tried a 14-hour run to see how long they would last, but I can tell you I did like at least 5 hours and was still working fine. And if 5 hours is not enough for you, you are quite the athlete that you're doing a 5-hour single training session. Very impressive. Hey, if there was something that I didn't answer, you have a question that you're wondering about, put it in the comments below. I'll try to get that to you. Hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.